HP Pavilion 15ec-2008AX. In this laptop, the issue is battery. The laptop won't turn on without charger. We need to plug in the charger and turn on. See, it's not turning on. Battery is also 100%. We need to plug in charger. We need to turn on. Now it's turned on. And the battery doesn't also charge even 1%. See now. See, if you remove the adapter, the laptop suddenly will get shut down. You can see now. So in this situation, there will be two types issue. One is motherboard issue and one is battery issue. In this, we can see that this is the battery issue. I will open the laptop and I will show you. Okay. Here three screw for there. No, ಇದೇನಿಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಆಯ್ಸವ್ರ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕೊಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ನೀನೇ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ನೀನು ಕೊಡೋದಮ್ಮ ಯಾವ್ದು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅದು ಮಾಡೋಣ. See this PG03XL battery. From the edges of the battery connector, hold this and push towards that side, opposite side. Remove three screws. Correct. Now I installed new HP original battery. Now let's turn on. It got turned on. Now you can see the laptop battery is 58%. 58%. Now I will plug in the charger. It will get charged and the percentage will also increase. See, now it's getting charged. Wait for 2-3 minutes. अगले बढ़ा on 15. See, 2% it has increased. Laptop is working fine.